Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. So this should be a fairly short and easy tutorial, but I thought I'd finally make a Junimo from Stardew Valley. I've had this requested a few times now, and I finally got around to finalising a pattern that I'm happy with. I've been meaning to make this since I started this channel, so if you have any more ideas related to Stardew Valley that you'd like to see me make sure to let me know down below in the comments. So here's a list of everything you'll need. I'm just going to leave this here just in case you need a pause for around 10 seconds. The pattern is available from my DeviantArt. It's one page and should be printed off to match an A4 piece of paper in order to achieve the same size as the one I make in the video. The link is in the description. Once that's done, begin cutting out all of the pieces in their allocated colours and make sure to leave seam allowance where necessary. The first thing you'll need to do is to sew all of the side body pieces together. The easiest way to do this is to place two pieces together with the tracing on the outside and then sew along one curve. Repeat this with the second two pieces. Place these two pieces that you've created into a bowl shape and then sew around the large arc that you have just created, leaving the bottom straight edge open. Then, align the circular piece to the bottom and begin sewing on the tracing lines. When you've nearly reached the end, flip it the right way up, stuff the plushie generously and conceal the raw edge with an invisible stitch. Now that you have the main body complete, we're just going to use a backstitch to sew in place the cheek blush and the eyes. To help with the placement, they should be just slightly on the lower side of the body, and the eyes should be on the inner side of the cheek blush. For the arms and the legs, place the tracing on the outside and form a tube shape along the longer side. Then, sew along the longer side and sew up one of the shorter ends. It may be awkward, but then you just need to flip this the right way up. Use a pencil or a small object if you need to assist you with this. Repeat this for the remaining 4 pieces. For the leaf, place both pieces with the tracing on the outside and begin sewing around it. Then, when you're nearly at the end, flip it the right way up and conceal with an invisible stitch. Join this piece onto the close end of the black stalk. Then, all that is left to do is to join all of these pieces on with an invisible stitch to the body piece. And there you have it, your very own little Junimo. You can choose whatever colour you'd like, and if you want, I'll make a few Stardew themed accessories like a star fruit or a present in the future to go along with this plushie. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other craft videos? I post new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!